If you are struggling to reset your Instagram feed, in this video I will be showing you the fastest way to do that. But first, make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make a single mistake. Guys, first of all, open up Instagram app on your phone, and then you'll have to tap on your profile on the bottom right corner to head over to your Instagram profile. And after that, you'll have to tap on those three lines on the top right corner of the screen to head over to the settings of your Instagram account. Then you'll have to scroll down all the way until you find an option of content preferences in what you see section. You'll have to tap on content preferences, and after that you'll have to tap on reset suggested content. That is the last option. And then it says that want a fresh start, which suggests posts, reels and other content based on factors such as who you follow and your activity. You can reset it to see new learn more, and in learn more you can read all those things if you want. But right now I'll click on next, then hit reset suggested content, and then hit reset suggested content again to reset your Instagram feed, and you are good to go now. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button. It really supports the channel, and comment below if you got stuck anywhere. I'll definitely help you out.